You guys, there's a fly buzzing around and I swear to you, it is getting on my last nerve. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, it is a special video because this is a collaboration video. So in this video, I'm doing the fall makeup look, and in the other video where you can check it out, it is Melissa's channel. She is doing the fall fashion outfit look. So with our two powers combined, we can make fall beautiful. So anyway, so this is the fall makeup look. Here's the look I came up with. If you want to know how to get this look, sit tight. Don't go anywhere, we're getting started. So let's go ahead and start our makeup. The first thing I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist, spray some on the palm of my hand, and then just pat it on. So now I'm taking my AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil, and we're going to take the spoolie end and brush our brows. Then take the other end where the pencil is, and then go ahead and fill in your brows. So now I'm gonna jump right into my eyes. First, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer and use that as a eye primer, and then take a brush and just brush all that out. So for this fall makeup look, you guys, I'm gonna use a couple of palettes, but the first palette I'm gonna dive into is this Milani Pure Passion palette. So I'm going to take the shade Truth on Bare and apply that all over my lid. Using that same palette, I'm going to take the shade Totally Fond of You and apply that from the outer corner of my eyes and sweeping it in. So now I'm going to dive into my City Mini palette by Shayla, and this is a collab with Maybelline New York. I'm going to take that matte brown shade and place that more towards the outer corner. So now diving into that purple shade, we're going to place that on the center and on the inner half of our lid. So I'm going to go back with the brown and add in a little bit more on the outer corner so that I can add some depth. And if you haven't noticed, I did clean up the fallouts, so there's that. Using that shimmery gold color, place that on the inner corner of my lid. And then right on top of that, taking the other gold shade, we're going to place it on top. So now taking my Heavy Metal by Urban Decay in the shade Midnight Cowboy, I'm going to place that right on top of the gold shadow. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner mixed in with my Ultimate LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. So now for the mascara, I'm going to dive into my Maybelline New York The Falsies Push-Up Drama. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Tarte in Medium Honey, and this is the Hybrid Gel Foundation. So to make sure all of that is nice and set in place, I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and using my e.l.f. powder brush and just powdering my entire face. To bronze out my face, I'm going to use my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. For the concealer, you guys, I'm using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer in the shade Fair Light. And I know I'm doing my concealer after I did my powder, but you know, bear with me. So I want to add a pop of color to my lower lash line. I'm taking my NYX Seafoam Green pencil and placing that on my lower lash line. And then to add a more pop of color, some nice glitter, let's take our Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette and pick up the shade Sparkling Pineapple and pop that on the inner corner. I'm gonna take a little break from my face and use the Vaseline Lip Moisturizer and moisturize my lips. So now taking my Tarte blush in Blissful, we're going to put some blush on our face. For my highlight, I'm taking the Dose of Color Desi X Katy Chasing the Sun. So now for my lips, take my MAC in the shade Matte Secret number 895 and place that all over my lips. And right on top of that, I'm going to add in some Dose of Colors in the shade My Main, their liquid lipstick. And of course, I want my lips to look nice and juicy. And so I'm going to take my Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Sweet Tea and place that on the center of my lips. Now to make sure my makeup is set and in place, I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Cucumber and spraying that all over my face. Okay, so that is it for this video. I think it turned out very well, and I love how it has the nice, it gives me a nice fall vibe, at least I think it does. And I love the lips, I love the eyes, everything just marries and blends well together. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button down below, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, of course, click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and of course, tap on that notification bell, you guys, because I do giveaways very often. So if you want to know any giveaway rules, all rules will be listed down below. Products I use are listed down below. And yeah, that's it, you guys. And don't forget to check out Melissa's channel. Okay, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.